Hey everyone, Jake Easter here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm standing on a 33 Outrage from Boston Whaler. Just want to take you through, show you a quick little tour of the boat and its features. So come on board, let me show you a little bit about it. So starting here at the stern of the boat, you have your twin 300 Mercury Verado V8 outboards. This boat will really get out of the water real quick. Perfect setup for this 33. So here at the transom, got a very large live well, 50 gallons. Put a lot of fish in there when you're throwing out for bait. Large transom seating, fold out seating here. Large fish boxes on each side. And notice the dive door on this boat. A lot of access to getting on and off this boat, bringing big fish on as well. And notice the color Abaco blue, one of my favorite colors that's offered. Now this rear facing seat is really cool. You can do a couple things. You can sit a couple people comfortably. This also has a live well underneath as well, which is pretty cool. And it also turns into a nice washdown station as well. And making our way to the helm now. A lot of coverage from the hardtop. Double bolster seat right here. Sit 3 people very comfortably. You can stand them up as well to have something to lean back up on. The helm is set up really cool as well. Got your twin Raymarine displays. Have your chart up. You can have your fish finder up. This has your vessel view from Mercury. Have your Raymarine VHF. A little bit of storage up top. Also acts as a rear view mirror. This boat has your joystick, which is an awesome option, must have. Easy way to dock the boat. So this 33 Outrage also has a head. You have a folding door to get in, which is really nice, so you're not just jamming it on the side of this boat. A lot of space in here, believe it or not. Good place to get out of the sun. You can wash your hands. Got your vacuum flush system. It's a really good area to get out of the sun. Now let's make our way up to the bow, but I do want to point out that you can put a tower on top of this 33 Outrage. It's a cool option to have just in case you want to do a little bit of little cruising from the top as well. So make our way to the bow. Check out the lounging area. Good space to sit out and get some sun. These have your fold out armrests. Got a couple cup holders. And check out the garage, a lot of space to put anything that you need. You can put a couple coolers, your life jackets. Just a good spot to store things away. This does have a teak table that you can set up in the middle here. A little bit of seating up front, which is really nice. Have your windlass, a couple speakers. You can turn your Fusion stereo up and down, change the songs right here. And that's about it. This is Jake Easter from MarineMax here in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Give us a call if you have any questions about anything that we have. We'd be glad to help. Thank you.